Hello students, there are some questions related to chapter nutrition in living organisms. First of all, you tell me name the ultimate source of energy for all living organism. You know, sun is the ultimate source of energy. Why sun is called the ultimate source of energy? Because solar energy is very important to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process carried out in plants. The leaves of the plants capture sunlight and stored in the plant in the form of food. And this in turn used by other organisms to get food to obtain energy. Thus we can say that sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. What do you understand by symbiotic relationship present in some organism? Symbiotic relationship is the relationship between two organisms live together for the benefit of each other. One symbiotic relationship is known as lichen, in which an algae and fungus live together. Fungus provides shelter, water, and minerals to the algae, and in return, the algae provides food which is prepared by photosynthesis. This kind of associations for the beneficial of each other is known as symbiotic relationship. Explain the two mode of nutrition in plants. Mode of nutrition in plant is of two types, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs, green plant prepare their food themselves. Heterotrophs, the mode of nutrition in which the organism depend on the others for their food. Now next, differentiate between nutrients and nutritions. As you know, there are some components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These components are called nutrients, and nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Why colors of algae are green? As you know, green colors plant also of green colors because they contain chlorophyll. Algae also contain chlorophyll which gives them green color, and because of chlorophyll it can prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Next, what are the main components present in carbohydrates? The main components present in carbohydrates are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. How nutrients are replenished in the soil? As you know, the farmer spread manures in their fields to increase the fertility of the soil. They also add fertilizers that contain specific nutrients such as nitrogens in the field to increase the fertility of the soil. There are some bacteria like rhizobium that is present in the nodules of leguminous plants that convert atmospheric nitrogen into their soluble form like nitrates to increase the fertility of the soil. What is the function of stomata in leaf of a plant? As you know, in the lower surface of the leaves, there are some pores or holes which help in exchange of gases. The pore in stomata are protected or surrounded by guard cells.